In the center of an extravagant showroom, bathed in soft ambient lighting, stands a machine that captures the essence of speed, precision, and power, the KTM RC200. Its sharp, aerodynamic bodywork and aggressive stance make it impossible to ignore. Every curve, every line, and every detail of this motorcycle speaks of racing heritage and cutting-edge engineering. The polished marble floors reflect its striking presence, while the walls, adorned with premium displays, create an atmosphere of exclusivity. The name displayed prominently on the wall adds a personalized touch, making this showroom a space dedicated to passion and performance. The RC200 is more than just a motorcycle, it is a statement of aggressive styling and refined engineering. The sharp twin LED headlamps and aerodynamic front fairing give it an unmistakable presence. The sculpted fuel tank seamlessly integrates with the sleek body panels, while the high-rise tail section enhances its sporty appeal. The racing-inspired graphics and premium paint finish make it stand out, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Underneath this stunning exterior lies a high-performance 199.5cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produces an exhilarating 25 horsepower. The advanced fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response, while the 6-speed gearbox is engineered for seamless gear shifts, allowing riders to extract maximum performance. The lightweight trellis frame, paired with an aggressive riding posture, provides precise handling, making every ride an adrenaline-fueled experience. The premium WP Apex suspension setup, featuring USD front forks and a rear monoshock, absorbs road imperfections effortlessly. This ensures confidence-inspiring stability, whether navigating tight corners or cruising at high speeds. The well-balanced chassis allows the RC200 to maintain razor-sharp agility, delivering a ride that feels connected to the road. The rear-set footpegs and clip-on handlebars provide an aggressive yet ergonomic stance, designed for riders who crave an immersive riding experience. Braking is just as impressive, with a high-performance disc brake setup ensuring superior stopping power. The 320mm front disc and 230mm rear disc, paired with dual-channel ABS, prevent wheel lock-ups and provide precise braking control. Metzeler radial tires further enhance stability and grip, ensuring optimal traction even during aggressive maneuvers. Every aspect of the RC200 is engineered for safety and performance, offering riders the confidence to push their limits. As you take a step closer, the digital instrument cluster comes into view, displaying essential riding information with crystal-clear precision. The LCD display provides real-time data on speed, RPM, fuel levels, gear position, and trip statistics, keeping the rider informed at all times. The backlit switchgear adds to the premium feel, ensuring effortless control even in low-light conditions. Every detail, from the premium quality materials to the meticulously crafted components, reflects KTM's commitment to excellence. The luxurious showroom setting further elevates the experience. The sophisticated interior design, high-end materials, and carefully curated lighting create an ambiance that complements the RC200's prestige. The custom display name on the wall adds a unique touch, symbolizing the exclusivity of this space. The polished floors, modern decor, and premium displays enhance the bike's commanding presence, making it the focal point of attention. KTM's dedication to innovation and performance is evident in every element of the RC200. The lightweight trellis frame provides unmatched rigidity while keeping the overall weight low, ensuring a perfect balance of strength and agility. The aerodynamic fairings are designed to minimize wind resistance, allowing for enhanced stability at high speeds. Every component, from the high-performance braking system to the meticulously tuned suspension, is crafted to deliver an exhilarating riding experience. The RC200's exhaust note is a deep, aggressive growl that echoes KTM's racing DNA. The refined engine tuning ensures smooth power delivery across the rev range, making every acceleration an adrenaline rush. Whether navigating urban streets or conquering open highways, the RC200 delivers relentless performance, ensuring that every ride is as thrilling as the last. A closer look reveals the intricate craftsmanship that sets this bike apart. The finely sculpted fuel tank not only adds to its aggressive aesthetics but also provides a comfortable grip for the rider, enhancing control during spirited riding. The lightweight alloy wheels contribute to overall agility, while the well-balanced suspension setup ensures stability even at high speeds. The KTM RC200 is not just built for speed, it is engineered for precision and control. Owning an RC200 is more than just possessing a motorcycle, it is about embracing a lifestyle of speed, performance, and passion. Every ride becomes a testament to KTM's motorsport heritage, a reminder that this bike is built for those who demand more from their machines. The blend of raw power, refined technology, and aggressive styling makes the RC200 a standout performer in its segment. As you stand in this luxurious showroom, surrounded by elegance and sophistication, the RC200 commands your attention. The sharp lines, bold graphics, and premium components make it a dream machine for any motorcycle enthusiast. The name displayed on the wall adds a personal connection, making this moment even more special. This is not just a showroom, it is a space where passion for performance comes to life. KTM's relentless pursuit of engineering perfection is reflected in the RC200's advanced technology. The precise fuel injection system optimizes efficiency, ensuring smooth power delivery. The liquid cooling mechanism keeps the engine at optimal temperatures, allowing for sustained performance even during intense riding conditions. Ride-by-wire technology ensures precise throttle control, enhancing the overall riding experience. Every aspect of this bike is designed to push the boundaries of what a sport bike can be. The ride experience is nothing short of breathtaking. From the moment the engine comes to life, the RC200 responds with an urgency that is both thrilling and addictive. Every twist of the throttle, every gear shift, and every lean into a corner is a reminder of the engineering excellence that defines this machine. The aerodynamic enhancements reduce drag, while the well-balanced chassis provides unmatched stability. Whether carving through tight bends or accelerating on a straight road, the RC200 delivers an experience that is both dynamic and exhilarating. Step closer, and you'll notice the meticulous attention to detail that sets the RC200 apart. The aggressive bodywork, precision-cut fairings, and premium finish reflect KTM's dedication to design and performance. The ergonomics are carefully crafted to provide maximum comfort while maintaining a race-inspired stance. This is a bike that not only looks fast but feels fast in every aspect. As the ambient lighting reflects off its polished fairings, the RC200 stands as a testament to power, speed, and innovation. The luxurious showroom setting enhances its exclusivity, creating an environment that celebrates high-performance engineering. The custom name display on the wall personalizes the space, transforming it into a tribute to those who live for the thrill of riding. The KTM RC200 is not just a motorcycle, it is an experience, a machine built for those who crave speed and precision. It represents a fusion of cutting-edge technology, advanced engineering, and racing-inspired design. Whether you're an experienced rider or an enthusiast looking to step into the world of sport bikes, the RC200 offers an unforgettable journey. Owning this bike means embracing a world of excitement, precision, and raw power. Every aspect, from the aerodynamic enhancements to the high-performance braking system, is designed to deliver an unmatched riding experience. The RC200 is built for those who refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. Standing here, in this elegant showroom, the RC200 captivates with its aggressive stance and premium aesthetics. The polished floors, ambient lighting, and modern displays create an atmosphere of sophistication, making this a space where passion meets performance. The name displayed on the wall adds a personal touch, making this moment truly special. This is more than just a motorcycle, it is a masterpiece of engineering and design. The KTM RC200 embodies the spirit of racing, the thrill of speed, and the pursuit of perfection. It is a machine that excites, inspires, and ignites a passion for riding. With the turn of a key, the journey begins, and the open road awaits.